Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
I want you to name animals.
Yes.
Starting with alphabetical orders.
Okay.
Okay, so we go.
Antelope.
Buffalo.
Cat.
Dog.
Elephant.
Gazelle.
EFGH. Hen. I.
I. Kuna mnyama huanza na I.
Inzi. Okay. I ni gani?
A guy. Is there an animal that starts with I? Okay, pass.
A J. J.
Kuna animal ya J.
Pass. K.
K, kitten.
JKL. Lion.
M, monkey.
N. N for N.
N for
Dingo.
for dingo. N for
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
By the way, which animal starts with N?
N.
N for
N ni kama pass. Pass.
O for ostrich.
P for pigeon.
Q for quail.
R for rat.
S for snake.
T for tortoise.
Okay, rest U. U for
U for
kuna animal ya U.
you to the pass.
Wacha tu pass tu. Tukikumbuka sawa.
V for pia V pass.
By the way, V for
U V W. W
W for warthog. Ama ni warthog.
warthog.
Okay.
U V W X. Hiyo nayo pass.
X. Y. Y for
Hizi za hapa mwisho.
nani moya Y?
Y.
Yellow.
TL.
Shut up, you. Shut up.
Y for
Na Z. Z for zebra.
zebra.